So go and make a video response to your 10 favorite flip tricks to do, and the responses will be automatically added. So go out there and do that just because it's fun and just so everyone gets to know, okay, those are that person's 10 favorite tricks. It was pretty cool. Alright, go do it.